So welcome students. So in this question you are given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x and on this parabola you have a point x1 y1 and you have drawn a tangent to this parabola and this tangent meets the parabola y square is equal to 4a into x plus b at points q and r. So if that is so, what is the midpoint of qr in terms of x1, y1, a so on, in terms of the given parameters? So what is the midpoint of QR? So to solve this question, let us assume that the midpoint of QR be equal to A. So if the midpoint of QR is equal to A, what is the equation of? So equation of QR. So QR is nothing but the chord of this equation with alpha comma beta as midpoint. So what is the equation of chord with a given midpoint? T is equal to S1. So let us write T is equal to S1 with respect to this parabola. So y beta minus 4x. So 4ax becomes 2a times x plus alpha minus 4ab. So this will be equal to T is equal to S1 is beta square minus 4a alpha minus 4ab. So 4ab and this will get cancelled. So the equation of the line QR is given by y beta minus 2ax is equal to beta square minus 2a alpha. So this will be the equation of QR. But QR should also be the tangent to y square is equal to 4x at point x1, y1. So what is the tangent at x1, y1 to y square is equal to 4x? Is nothing but t is equal to 0. That is y1 is equal to 2a times x plus x1. Now these two lines have to be same. So these two lines have to be same. The coefficients have to be proportional. So what is the y coefficient here? So beta by y1 is equal to, so if you take x onto that side, so you have 2a x, so the x coefficient is 2a and here also the x coefficient is 2a is equal to beta square minus 2a alpha by 2a x1. So now from this we have to find alpha and beta in terms of x1, y1, b so on. So beta will be equal to 2a by 2a is 1. So beta is equal to y1 and beta square minus 2a alpha by 2a x1 is equal to 1. So this implies y1 square minus 2a alpha is equal to 2a x1. This implies y1 square minus 2a x1 is equal to 2a alpha. So what is y1 square minus 2a x1? If you have to simplify this, so we know that x1 y1 lies on y square is equal to 4x. So y1 square is equal to 4a x1. So y1 square minus 2a x1 will be equal to 2a x1. So 2a x1 is equal to 2a alpha. So 2a and 2a gets cancelled. So x1 is equal to alpha. x1 is equal to alpha. That means the point alpha comma beta is nothing but the point x1 y1. That means if you draw this graph correctly, so the point x1 y1 will be exactly same as the midpoint of this chord. So alpha comma beta is equal to x1 y1. So let us try to visualize the previous question. So according to this question, so let us take that this is the parabola y square is equal to 4x and let us take that this parabola, the second parabola is a parabola which is slightly moved backwards. This is the parabola y square is equal to 4a into x plus b. So I have moved 2 units, but this can be moved any arbitrary units. So now one is the parabola y square is equal to 4x, the other is y square is equal to 4a into x plus b. Now I have selected a point on the parabola y square is equal to 4x so the point G, and I have drawn the tangent to the parabola at point G. And this tangent is meeting the outward parabola, the outer parabola at points H and I. And you are asked to find the midpoint of HI in terms of x1, y1. So can you clearly see that this G seems to be the midpoint of this chord at every position? So do you see that this length is equal to this length? So at whatever position you take, if Gi is increasing, correspondingly Gh is increasing. So at all the positions, the midpoint of the chord will always be equal to x1, y1. So that's what we have derived. Thank you.